Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So I haven't been anywhere for a long time, didn't get time to go anywhere. But today I'm going to Valigama because there's an event happening in Valigama, and I will let you guys know about that as well. So let's see how it goes. Now we are passing Balapitiya. If you are coming to Balapitiya, you can see some places around, especially Madhu River, which is very famous among all the travelers. If you are coming to Balapitiya, don't forget to take a boat ride along Madhu River. That is something you should definitely do if you are coming here. And you see, that is my travel buddy for the day. I'll be going by my bike to Valigama. It is going to be a fun ride. And now we are passing Ambalangada town. Ambalangada town is famous for traditional puppets. You can come here and see some museums around if you want to know more about traditional puppets. Stop here to see the sunrise. It's really beautiful. It was a really beautiful view from here, but I don't know whether you can see in the video. The view is really beautiful in the morning. I'm so glad I left early in the morning. So you can see the sunrise and you can see the waves on your right side. One of the biggest advantage of going on the Gold Road is like you get to see the sea view and the ocean, unlike in the highway. And also early in the morning, it's not so crowded and it's very peaceful. As you can see, like it's like a dream. So I recommend you guys to take a ride early in the morning. If you are going to down south, you will never regret that. Just look how beautiful it is in the morning with the sunrise and the ocean and coconut trees on the side. It's really beautiful, and you should really come in early in the morning so you get to see all of this. I totally enjoyed riding with this view. It was a dream come true, to be honest. The view was beautiful, so I decided to stop for a while so I can take few pictures, and then I continued on my ride. Now we are passing Parali area. Back in 2006, this area was badly affected by tsunami, and still you can see signs from that disaster. Now we are passing Sinigam area. As you can see on my right side, there's a little island, and that is the famous Sinigam temple. Now we are passing Hikadu area, which is one of the most popular beach towns in Sri Lanka. But these days all the shops are closed because of this corona situation and because of the downfall of tourism industry in Sri Lanka. Other days it will be so crowded, you won't even see the area like this, but sadly this is how it looks these days. Yay! Finally we are in Galle and few more kilometers to go to Valigama, and super excited. This is a traditional way of fishing. The fisherman will be standing on one of the sticks, and he will be patiently waiting to catch fish. So, even though now we can't see anyone doing that, on some days and in the evening, if you are coming here, you can probably see how it is done. Finally, we are in Valigama. On my right side, you can see fishing boats, and from far away, I don't know whether you can see, there's a little island that's called the Taprobane Island. That is the Taprobane Island. We are having a pop-up sale today at Hang Time Hostel restaurant. That is from the QT, and that is one of the reasons why I'm in Valigama. And also, two of my friends will be joining me in Valigama. So before we do the pop-up sale at Hang Time Hostel, we have decided we will go and see some places. This is the Hang Time Hostel, so we will be having a pop-up sale here. But as I'm early and my friends are not here yet, so let's go to Valigam beach and see how beautiful it is. If you are coming early in the morning to this beautiful beach, it is ideal to learn surfing. I also did some time back, because the waves here are so beautiful and smooth. If you want to learn surfing and if you are a beginner, I recommend this place because I also did and I have a very good experience here. There are so many surfing schools that you can get lessons from, and there's nothing to worry at all. It is not dangerous here. So my friends came and joined me. We decided to go and see the famous Coconut Tree Hill in Mirissa, which has been a hot topic in past few weeks. So let's go and see. This place is very close to Valigama, so if you are in Valigama, you should definitely come here because the view is so amazing from here, and the coconut trees and the ocean, all these colors, it's really beautiful to see. I could spend a whole day staring at this view, guys. It's really beautiful. You should definitely come here if you are in the area, because I don't know whether you can see it in the video. This view, the ocean, the coconut trees, it's all magical, guys. These two are my travel partners for the day. Now we are back in Valigama for the pop-up sale. So we are getting ready for the pop-up sale. The pop-up sale is done by the Cutie. The Cutie is my small business, so if you want to check it out, I will just put the link below. Hangtime Hostel is a really nice place. They have a restaurant and a hostel. If you are coming to Valigama, you can pay a visit here. The view is amazing from up here. You can chill out with your friends and have a good time in Hangtime Hostel if you are coming to Valigama. So we are done with our pop-up sale and it's time to go back home. We had a really good time in Valigama and also Mirissa. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us know about your comments and what you think about the video and new suggestions if you have any. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time with another video. till next time. Bye.